So hi everyone, in this video I am going to cash out on LootUp.me website. I have already 820 points available. I am choosing withdrawal to loot me up. So click on redeem balance. So I am going to refresh this web page. You can see I have 1220 points available. So click on it. You can see the transaction details. Then click on redeem. So I'm choosing PayPal. Points 1220. So click on confirm. You can see withdraw success. Your withdraw request was sent processing. You can see you got email confirmation. It will takes 1 to 2 business days. So okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching.